Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock smartphones, pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password lock. Okay, and so don't worry at all. Watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use the method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this, you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make these type of further videos to help you in future. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network firstly should be closed. Okay, now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network is on in my phone. So simply I will have to close this Wi-Fi network and all the telecommunication network, and for this you will have to simply slide your phone downside like this, and just a minute, like this, and you will get a lots of keys here. Now you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to click on this airplane mode key. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed, and now my phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. But before this, one thing I will have to do one more thing with my phone. Firstly, I will have to close all the background running application when my phone was not locked. Okay. So generally it is not possible to close all the running application when your phone is locked. So simply there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close the running application when your phone is locked. Because when your running application will be running in your background, it means your phone is not going to unlock with this method. So you will have to go with your engineer's call mode. Now you can see here there is an option of an engineer's emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. And when you will click on this emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I am going to give you a secret code which is generated by the service center, and today's recent secret code is star hash 999 then star 00 then star 854. Just a minute, 854. And lastly you will have to click on hash. After feeding this number, you will have to call on this number, and when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and you will have to do the same at the 3 times, 2 and 3. After doing this, your all the background running application are closed. Now all the background application are closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. But there is a single USSD code to reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Okay, and this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here, after dialing this number, you will reach to a new page that is engineer's mode, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here. But you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. So simply you will have to go with this option. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. But you can see here there is an option of an Android version, and my phone's Android version is 12. It may be possible your Android version may be possible 13 or 10 or 11. But if your Android version showing here 13, it means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. But here my phone's Android version is 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now you will have to simply go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to a previous page, and you will get another option above the software version, that is manual test option. Now you will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. That page is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Now after this, you will have to simply slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the page of other. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page. The first option is screen backlight test. The second option is a read write important lock test. Like this, there is an option at the 4th number you can see here, that is a database version, or it's also known as mainboard version, but don't worry about the name. Both option has the same function. Now simply you will have to click on this database version or mainboard version 11 times rapidly like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the second step of the unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test. Now after this, you will have to click on this option read write important lock test, and when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to simply cancel this option at the first time. Again at the second time, you will have to do the same. You will have to cancel this option, and again at the third time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this option, you will have to confirm this option with the OK button, and when you will give a OK button press, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means your all the forgotten pin pattern and password are now ready to go with a new pin pattern and password lock. Now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important. So if you skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. You will have to watch the video again. And if you want to unlock your smartphone, it means you will have to watch every step properly. Now you will have to simply go with the left slide side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you will get here a lots of option on this page like this. You can see here the first option is showing here check a small board match main board. The second option is fingerprint test. The third option is keypad test. Like this, you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Now you will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 2 type of option on your phone's display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry about this. Now you can see here both the option is showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these options like this, but you will have to click on both option or one option until you get a single test passed message. Now you can see I'm going to click on this option. Test has been started. The second option, test has been started, but the second option got here test failed. But you can see here at the first time the first option has got test passed message. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I will have to go with the home button. Now where is the home button? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of this phone. You can see here. Now I will simply click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So you can see here. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked. And if your phone has been also completely unlocked, then do the like this video. And one more thing I would also like to tell you, you can see here all the applications which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really works. And if your phone could not unlock with the trick what I have given you in this video, then you may also comment me in my comment box. Our team will quickly reply you to unlock your phone. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with these type of tricks.